Welcome! In front of me I have Realme Watch 3 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the ringer volume on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Now find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the option called sounds and vibration, and then tap on it, and here tap on the ringer volume option. And now we can adjust the ringer volume by swiping up and down on the slider. Adjust the volume to your liking, and then you can press the side button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the ringer volume on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.